2007 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Two-owner car, clean Carfax, confirmed miles, no accidents indicated. Only a little over 16,000 miles on this car, and it shows 3LT preferred equipment group, plus chrome wheels, 6-speed paddle shift automatic, premium tint coat paint. So this is the Monterey red metallic with cashmere interior. Of course, underneath this hood, 6-liter LS2 engine. This one's a beauty, folks. If you want to check out the still pictures, check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Also included in the purchase of this, original owner's manual, showroom brochure, WeatherTech, the nice formed floor mats. So this one's had floor mats on the floor mats, and of course that car cover will also go with it. And check out the interior and look at the condition of the floor mats and the seats on this thing. We'll get around to the driver's side. Let's check it out a little closer. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You'll be able to see pics with the top in, top out. It does have the body colored top for it. And you can see those in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. As you can see, paint all the way around the car shows very well. Of course, that 3LT preferred equipment group is going to get you a lot of the features that everybody likes on these. Heated seats, electronic dual climate control, heads-up display. Pop the door open here. There we go. All right, also memory seating. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Take a look at the power seat over here on the driver's side and how this is worn or lack thereof. That seat is in like new condition, as well as the carpeting, the rest of the interior of this car. Check the exact miles here. Full stereo system, driver's information center, a couple other things, that heads-up display. There's your exact miles, 16,234. This one will not disappoint, folks. I'll pop that hood while we're up here a second too. There we go. Slip around to the back. Stock exhaust. From what I've noticed, you'll be able to see it in the still pictures and on the underside, and take a look at the underside of this car. It's as clean as the top. And quick peek at the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Clean hood liner. It's not been driven in inclement weather. And then look at this engine bay. Stock, not modified. Battery was replaced from the last year, give or take. Other than that, wow. Wish I had room in my own garage for this one. '2007 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Two-owner, clean Carfax, low miles, Monterey red metallic. What more do you want? Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.